Hi friends. Welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are making tangy, spicy, crispy, yummy recipe, which is Gobi Manchurian. Here are your ingredients: cauliflower, capsicum, bell peppers, onions. Here I am using quality Gobi Manchurian masala. Boil your cauliflowers, add some salt for 5 minutes until they are soft. Once they are soft, drain all the water and let cauliflower dry. In a bowl, mix the quality Gobi Manchurian mix with water. Now add in your cauliflower and coat them evenly in the batter. Heat oil in a pan and fry your cauliflower until golden and crisp. In a bowl, empty the sauce, mix masala and add a little water to make a paste. In a pan, add some oil and let it heat. Then add all the veggies and saute them until they are soft. Add little salt for seasoning. Once your veggies are soft, add the sauce paste and cook a little while. Add chili sauce or tomato ketchup as per your choice for little spice and tanginess. Once your sauce is glossy or shiny, add the fried cauliflowers and mix well until all the sauce is coated evenly. Let it cook for 1 minute. Look at that gloss. It's crispy, spicy, tangy, and perfect. Absolutely elite. Hit that subscribe button for more easy comfort food. And I'll see you in the next one.